I'm Aaron from Columbia.
And I'm Phil from PRC Taping.
And today we're going to go over how to use a semi-automatic taper to tape your joints. Out of the box, you're going to start by pulling out your pin. Then you open up the swivel handle. Take these support bars, pinch them together, and put them in the two housings on the handle. Once you have that in place, take your wheel, place it in where the pin goes in, and then place the pin through the wheel and out through the O-ring. We have a brake on the side so you can control the speed of which it rolls. You can have it tight or a little bit looser or freewheel. Take your tape spool, put it through the tape, set your brake pressure, open the door. Inside you see the diagram of how the tape's supposed to go. So you put the tape through the opening hole, over the wheel, run it down under the lower wheel, then over, then back up the outside. Now you close your door. On the semi-automatic taper, there's a mud gate. The mud gate's controlled with this Delrin screw at the end. As you tighten it, the mud gate closes, restricting the mud. As you loosen it, the mud gate opens, letting more mud out. To insert it into the bucket, there's a bucket clip on the back end of it. Push that over the lip of the bucket, all the way down. Start pulling your tape through. You're going to see this has a little bit too much mud. I'm going to restrict it a bit by tightening it. So you're going to preload the bucket with mudded tape so you can take it around and tape joints with it. So you simply take the pre-mudded tape out, start applying it to the wall. Once you reach the end of your run, tear it off and start again on a new piece.
A couple new features for the semi-automatic taper is the clasp so you don't lose your pin. Also the brake for the wheel so you can control the flow of your tape.